Hey guys, I'm Nate. Welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to show you guys the Legmaker cold air intake for the Hellcat. Specifically, what do you get? How is it constructed? Why I really like it. And then let's take this thing out for a drive. And I'm going to try a new microphone setup. So let's see if you get some more whine. Not the bearing whine, the good whine. Yeah, so here we are in the belly of the beast. So really, this is the intake, right? You got carbon fiber tube. It's got the little cutouts here for the sensors. It comes with this, which is a nice handy, it's like a rain splash shield, right? And then inside, I don't know if you guys can see it here, this is the actual filter, it's the cone filter. It comes with, it calls a pre-filter. Basically what it is it tries to keep water and dirt off the main filter. That's kind of nice. And then you get this coupler, right, to put it into the intake. Now, install relatively simple on this. You really just had to, I think I had to remove this or fiddle around with the coolant bucket. I didn't have to take anything off, just need a little bit of room to fit this thing in. And that's it. Pretty much plugged it in. I did have to wiggle it a little bit just to get the alignment right. I didn't want anything rubbing. And it's pretty tight back here for where the filter is and just the front of the car. So I had to play with that a little bit, but pretty nice kit. I really like this. It's smooth airflow from this. It's carbon fiber. This doesn't really get too hot. It's well done here because, you know, on the Hellcat we have this heat extractor, so you do get a ton of water that comes in here. But I've washed the car and everything, haven't noticed anything weird. So yeah, I really like it. I think it's a pretty well built piece of kit. All right, so here, just leaving the gas station. $76 fill up. It was close to empty, but yeah, $76. Highest cost for fill up in a while. So yeah, back to the intake. So what do I think about it? Why did I get an intake? So the Legmaker, you can go to the website. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Really nice piece of kit, like I said. I didn't actually get it for the horsepower. So they advertise based on Diablo Sport tuning, you get 18 to 22 horsepower out of it. Yeah, I don't know, maybe. I really got it because of the noise. I really love hearing that supercharger whine, and while the stock box does a really great job of that, the Legmaker does a better job of that. And I think this car with such a loud exhaust, having louder whine, just really balances it out. I feel like the sound you get is just really good. My previous car to this, it was an Audi S5 V6 supercharged. However, Audi mutes everything. I changed that intake out of aftermarket intake on that car, but since the exhaust was so muted, all I really heard on that car was just this whine, right? Which was cool. I like the supercharger whine, but there was really no exhaust throatiness to back it up. I'm sure I could have gotten an aftermarket exhaust, but it's a lot of money, right? But here, on the sound, don't take my word for it. Listen to this thing sing. If you get that throttle in just the right spot, you can maximize the whine. I love that sound. So that's really it, guys. If you like the Legmaker, check it out in the description. I highly recommend it. What do you guys think? You guys have any other type of intakes you recommend? Leave it down in the comments. Otherwise, hope you enjoyed this one. Check out these next videos, and I'll see you there. Thanks. Bye.